Hi, today I'm gonna do a makeup video, so if you want to know how I did this look, just keep on watching. I'm gonna use NYX Eye Jumbo Pencil in Milk as my primer. I'm gonna apply it all over the lid and blend it out with my finger. The brush I'm gonna use is E54 from Sigma, and I'm gonna use my Zulu palette from Juvias Place, and I'm gonna take this pink color. I'm gonna pack it onto my crease and a bit above. And I'm gonna apply a lot. Now I'm gonna use my E40 Sigma brush. I'm just gonna take a bit of this orange color, just a tiny bit, the brush, and then And now I'm gonna take my E30 Sigma brush. I'm gonna take this purple color and I'm gonna pack it on my crease. Now I'm using my E45 Sigma brush and I'm just gonna blend the outer corner. I'm gonna take my Morphe palette, take this dark purple, just a tiny bit, and smoke out my crease. Keeping my hand really light and blending out the color. And now I'm using my E75 and my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. And now I'm taking again my E45 brush, use this color here, and mixing it with this color here, and packing it to my inner corner. I'm gonna take my glitter from MAC in my MAC Fix Plus and spraying the brush. in a yellow eye color and apply it to the center of my crease. I'm gonna use the pink color. I'm gonna take my E30 brush and I'm gonna use the purple color. Smoke it out. And I'm taking my MAC glitter and spraying my brush with MAC Fix Plus and applying it to the middle. Now I'm taking a little bit of the yellow and applying it to my inner corner. Now I'm gonna take MAC liquid lipstick in Fabulous and I'm gonna use it as my eyeliner. And now I'm using my L'Oreal Butterfly Effect. Now we're finished with the eyes. I'm gonna use my primer. It really helps. It really mattifies my face. So I have been doing a new base routine. I'll be using my H&M foundation quad as my contour. I'll be taking this color. I don't take it too high up, but if it goes a bit lower, it's fine because we're gonna fix it anyway. Now I take my beauty blender and my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in NC45. Just apply it under my contour to carve it out. Using my Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation in Cool Almond, and I just applied it to the half of my face, and you see my contour is peeking through and it's not too harsh. Applying it to the other side. Now I'm gonna take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC45 and apply a tiny bit under my eyes. I'm gonna use this orange blush. Lighter, I'm gonna take this, just a tiny bit. For the lips, I'm gonna take my MAC Liquid lipstick in Fabulous. In the center, I'm gonna take Viva La Diva lipstick in Very Red. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, subscribe, like, and comment. See you next time.